Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this new video. This is Mr. Cluster 87. Today it's January the 11th, 2016. And in this video guys, I would like to introduce you a really interesting NXT plugin, which we will see. It's called Quack. So basically, finally, we can see that the NXT platform can be enriched with many features that don't have to be specifically a core feature. So since it is an open source platform, developers could write application, in this occasion plugins, that add many features to the standard NXT wallet. So I will show you how to download the plugin and how to enable the plugin over the NXT wallet. So before, let's head over the Quack plugin, which was developed by the user Black1. So kudos to him. You will find this link in the video, in the description of this video, guys. Don't worry, so go and check it. So what is Quack Atomic Swap plugin? Quack enables easy, safe and secure atomic swaps of NXT-based assets and currencies. With Quack, NXT users can now directly exchange assets, currencies or NXT with no counterparty risk. Quack swaps exchanges are implemented on the NXT blockchain using phase transactions. Use Quack to directly exchange asset to asset, asset to currency, or currency to currency, swapping them directly without the need to convert to NXT. Some features: blockchain based, no off-chain communication required, multiple assets and NXT payments supported in a single swap session, and an NRS 1.7 ready. Recipient has full information on swapped assets without off-chain communication. Full information of swap session is stored in blockchain. You can turn off your PC and come back later. Fees: 2 NXT for each asset or NXT for a swap, and you can send to the developers some fees, or you can turn the tipping system off. So first step, you have to download. You can see it's a zip file, so just download it, save it and unzip it. I already done this. You can see some screenshots, but basically, how can you install plugins over the NXT wallet? You have to head over your folder. I am on Ubuntu operating system, as you can see. You have to then select HTML, user interface, and finally plugins. So basically, once you had unzipped the folder, it will look like this. As you can see, Quack. This is the standard Hello World plugin. This is just a quick update for developers. Basically, you can learn how to develop a plugin for the NXT platform over here and how to install them. So this is the first step. So drag and drop the folder over plugins, basically, and then you have to enable the plugins over the NXT wallet. So let's get over the NXT wallet. For those of you who already have a client, just click over returning user. Then depending on the mode you would like to enter, you can both enter within only the NXT public figure or with the passphrase. As you can see from here, you can see that the inside the wallet has been detected a plugin which is Quack. Let's see, security notice. Plugins are not sandboxed or restricted in any way and have full access to your client system, including your NXT passphrase. Make sure to only run plugins downloaded from trusted sources, otherwise you can lose your NXT. In doubt, don't run plugins with accounts used to store larger amounts of NXT now or in the future. So, I will just use my already known passphrase. Paste. Let's head over it. Okay, so we are inside the wallet. Now, the following task is to go over settings. Settings again, and enable plugins. So from no, we say yes, we quit, and we come back again. So paste. Okay, so if we scroll down now over plugins, we can see that there is one plugin active and running. And here is how Quack Atomic Asset Swap plugin looks like. So a brief description over the plugin, and here we can create swaps. So what we need our recipient account, and we need to choose what asset type we want to send. So basically, we can choose between NXT, as you can see, assets with the asset ID, or currency with the currency ID. Select the quantity. We can choose many. You can see we can swap multiple let's say NXT, currency and asset with one transaction. So we send this, and we would like to receive, of course, asset and let's say currency. So basically we could, you see, swap currency and asset without paying the NXT fee. We can add private message, and then we just have to use our passphrase in order to create the swap. That means that on the other side, basically, we should have a person which agrees upon these conditions and terms. So this is it. I hope you find this information useful in order to how to install the plugin and how the Quack plugin runs. This is it from Mr. Cluster 87. See you over the next video. Bye bye guys.